Hey everyone, Technoventure here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix syncing not working between your iPhone and your Apple Watch by following these troubleshooting steps. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to troubleshoot is make sure on your iPhone you have both the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi turned on. So you'll see here I have my Bluetooth, make sure it is turned on, and your Apple Watch is showing up here. And then Wi-Fi helps for cellular data stuff if you don't have cellular data on your Apple Watch. Now, along with that, you want to make sure that airplane mode is turned off. And the same thing on your Apple Watch, you're going to click on the side button and make sure the Wi-Fi is turned on here. And then you want to make sure it's not on airplane mode. So you're going to turn off that option as well. So those are going to be a quick fix. Now, you also want to make sure your devices are close by. If it's too far away, within 1 to 2 feet, you want to keep them. If it's too farther away, it might not sync. And then after that, the next thing you're going to do is restart both of the devices. So from your iPhone, you can just pull down and then click on that power button here and then slide to power it off. And then you're going to press over here to turn it back on. And the same thing with your Apple Watch. You can just go into your setting and then general and then scroll all the way down here to shut down. And then slide it and then power back on by holding this. So after you turn it back on, give it a few minutes and it should sync up. Now if it's still not syncing, the next thing you're going to go ahead and do is basically make sure it is actually still paired. So you're going to open up the Apple Watch app and then click on all watches and make sure that Apple Watch shows up here. If it doesn't, you might have to just get it re-added again. So that's going to be another thing to do. And then after that, if you're still having the issue, the next thing you're going to do is see if there's an update out. If it's still connected, so just go to your Apple Watch app, go to general and then software update and check if there is update out. So if there's update out, you're going to go ahead and update it here. Same with your iPhone. Just make sure in your setting, general, software update, if there's an update, go ahead and update your iPhone as well. So make sure both devices are basically updated. Sometimes if it's not updated, it might cause syncing issues, especially if the iPhone is updated, not your Apple Watch. So both devices have to be updated. Now, along with that, the next thing you want to check out in your Apple Watch here is by going to the app and then go to general. And then this time we're going to go down here to reset. And we're going to do a reset of sync data, which will basically reset the sync data, will erase all contact and calendar data from your Apple Watch before resyncing again. So you're going to just follow this step to begin the resync. Again, this won't delete any of your data, it's just going to resync the data. So just follow this step and make sure your Apple device is close by. And after that, you should be able to fix it. Now, in a scenario, all of this step doesn't work for you, you might have to just unpair and repair again. For this to happen, in your Apple Watch app here, just go to all watches and then click on the eye icon and then go down here and click on unpair, and then you're going to unpair, and then after that you're going to add it back on here by repairing. So you're going to, after you do unpairing, it's going to factory reset your Apple Watch, and then once it's turned back on, you're going to go to and open up this app and then click on add watch and then follow the steps to repair it. And after doing all this, your phone should be fixed on syncing. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time.